Hey guys, welcome back to All Wonky Vids. I just wanted to let you know that I am finally impressed. This little guy right here did a great job in the wind today. Wind gusts, the wind was probably around like 14 to 15 miles per hour with gusts definitely over 20. Got the little warning light here and there, but this Mavic Mini, excellent, 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 excellent. 100% recommend. So I'm gonna go ahead and show some different video that I took of both here and of the other practice flights that I've done on this. Today was probably about its third flight. You gotta remember I only bought the model and the one battery, so the most basic way you can get it, because you know I'm doing this on a budget. But I gotta say, for a budget, this is excellent. I've probably already spent $150 on cheap drones, just for fun, just to fly around. Had all sorts of problems, lost one in the trees. But this right here, if you're thinking about getting into droning and want something with a decent camera at an affordable price, I happen to manage to get this on sale at $349 for both the drone and the camera. Got a little like 64 gigabyte SD card to put in there too for only like 14 bucks. So altogether, you know, $400 for this nice drone, and the quality of shots you take and the way it handles itself is definitely worth the price. So I'll go ahead and throw those videos for you and kind of show you where I found this little park that I was at today when I was just looking on the GPS on Google Maps. So it's one good thing you can use too, and I'll go more into depth later. But otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope you hit that like and that subscribe, and maybe even share with some of your friends if you want to help me out and get this channel going. Thank you, and I hope you all have a good time.